In today's video, we are going to be going over how someone could make $100,000 per year under the age of 25. And trust me guys, it's not as hard as you think. You can make a lot of money out there being self-employed. So what I'm going to be doing in today's video is I'm going to be showing you guys the day-to-day operations of my business, and then at the end of the video, we are going to be discussing how we could scale that business to $100,000 profit per year income. If you guys do not know the type of business that I run, it is a phone flipping or phone reselling company. It is really not that hard of a concept to grasp. Basically what I'm doing is I'm buying iPhones at a low price and I'm reselling them at a high price. So pretty much most of my day with the business encompasses of buying phones at a cheap price and shipping out phones for profit. And I always start every single one of my phone flipping videos with shipping a phone. The phone that I'm going to be shipping today is this iPhone X 256 gigabyte carrier locked. I bought it for $280 after posting an ad on Facebook Marketplace. Someone reached out and wanted to sell it and I offered him a really low price and he eventually accepted. If you guys want to see how I bought that phone, the entire process, the link to that video is up here. But basically I'm going to be shipping it out for $160 in gross profit. I sold it to my private buyer for $440. So all I need to do now is I need to ship this iPhone X. Alrighty everyone, so I'm about ready to ship the iPhone X. I'm actually not going to ship it with the box because if I'm shipping it to my private buyer, he doesn't give me any extra for boxes, so I'm not going to ship it to him because it reduces the amount of weight and I'm going to save on shipping if I don't ship it with the box. Alrighty everyone, so the phone is completely packaged. I just put the shipping label on it. Now it is time to go to the post office and secure the profit on this device. The iPhone X 256 gigabyte carrier locked is now shipped. That is super exciting because I just secured $160 in gross profit, not counting that 3% PayPal fee, of course. The next thing on the agenda for today is to pick up another phone. I already have a phone meetup scheduled for 2 p.m. today for an iPhone 8 Plus cracked back bad ESN. I'm gonna be buying it for $150 and I'll be able to sell it for $230 on eBay. I might not sell it on eBay because I have to check what my private buyer is offering for it, so I'm not too sure, but we'll see. All I know is that I'm gonna make a good profit on the device that I'll be picking up. So I'm gonna pick up the vlog at around 2 o'clock when I go to pick up the iPhone 8 Plus. It's about an hour until I have to actually leave for the phone meetup, but I have to go to the bank and get some money to buy the phone before I actually go buy the phone. I do have $30 laying around already, so all I have to do is get $120 from the ATM and combine it with my $30 to buy the cracked back iPhone 8 Plus. Okay guys, with that all being said, let's get going. Before we head to the bank, I just realized we have to get some gas to fill up because, as my boy Reyes the entrepreneur would say, but Will,
what about the gas? The gas!
Dang, gas is expensive. My sexy Toyota Corolla car is all filled up. So now it's time to get some money from the bank and purchase the phone to make some profit. Alrighty guys, so I just got the $150 from the bank to buy the iPhone 8 Plus cracked back carrier locked. I'm super excited to do this phone deal. Anyways, the next time I'm gonna see you guys is when I'm walking into the McDonald's to buy the iPhone 8 Plus. Okay everyone, so I just got back from my phone meetup. I tried to film inside a little bit while I was picking up the phone, but it didn't really work out because it was a bit awkward, kind of just like filming someone secretly on your iPhone while you're like trying to buy the phone from them. So I didn't decide to do that, and I also needed my phone to check the IMEI on the phone, etc., etc. So I ended up picking this 8 Plus cracked back bad ESN up for $120, not $150, because it has some moderate scratching on the screen, which won't really affect the amount of money I'm going to be able to sell the phone for. But he said it was in perfect condition other than the cracked back, but there is some moderate scratching, so I asked if he could take $30 off the price, and he said yes, because he had already driven all that way and he did not want to go home empty-handed. So now it's time to sell this device. It's going on eBay for between $220 and $240. I decided not to sell it to my private buyer because I double checked his price and it's actually really low. So I'm just gonna sell this phone on eBay and take the risk because, you know, I've had some bad experiences on eBay. If you have watched my videos in the past, I've gotten scammed on there a few times, but if you sell lower ticket phones, you usually don't have a problem. So I'm going to list this 8 Plus on eBay, and hopefully I make a good amount of money and the phone sells quickly. I just listed the iPhone 8 Plus cracked back bad ESN, and it ended up selling in literally 2 seconds after I listed it, which means I probably underpriced the item. I ended up listing it for $229.99, and as you can see here, I tried to show you before, it literally sold right away. I sold it seconds later after I posted it. I should have put it $10 higher, but hey, that's a lesson learned on my end. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and package the phone. I'm gonna bring it to the post office, and then we're gonna wrap the video up by talking about the easiest way to make $100,000 a year if you're under 25 years old. Alright everyone, so I just got home from the post office. I secured $76 in profit after eBay and PayPal fees on that deal, which is unbelievably crazy. That deal was super easy. It probably took me like 45 minutes to do, and I made a really good amount of profit on it. And finally, I want to wrap this video up by talking a little bit about what the title of the video says, which is how to make $100,000 a year under the age of 25. And I've kind of been showing you guys how to make $100,000 a year under the age of 25 throughout the entire video because I bought and resold a phone, and that's what I'm going to be telling you guys. The easiest way to make $100,000 a year if you're under 25 years old is probably by reselling and flipping things. It's such easy money, and it doesn't just have to be electronics. You can make a bunch of money reselling books on Amazon FBA or electronics on eBay. You can make so much money just buying and reselling stuff from garage sales, thrift stores, or flip phones like I do. If you're under the age of 25, you're probably not going to get any sort of job that pays you $100,000 a year or more unless you're in some crazy industry. But it's really easy to make $100,000 a year flipping things. All you need to do is make $273 profit every single day. And I'm not saying that's like super easy, but you can definitely get closer and have a better shot at $100,000 a year income by flipping things rather than just working a job and trying to work your way up the corporate ladder before the age of 25. So guys, that is my point for this video. I just wanted to let you guys know how much money you can make flipping things. Literally, if I flip just 1 or 2 more phones today, I'm gonna make like $200 profit in one day, and I'm only 16 years old and I'm doing this, so that means all of you guys can do it too. It's really simple business model. I have a bunch of videos on my channel teaching you guys how to flip phones, so go check those out if you are interested. Anyways, I think that's gonna about wrap up today's video. If you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to drop a like and also check out more videos on the Financial Wolf channel. Peace out.